Point a telescope anywhere in the night sky, in any direction at all, and here is a strange fact. There are so many stars out there that your line of sight should eventually hit one. Every direction, every single time. Which means the whole sky should glow white all night, every night. It does not. And figuring out why turned into one of the strangest clues we have that the universe was ever born at all. Chapter 1. The sky should not be dark. Here is the setup. Imagine the universe goes on forever, packed evenly with stars and galaxies, and has always existed exactly like this. No beginning, no end. Now pick any direction and draw a straight line out from your eye. In a universe like that, your line eventually has to bump into the surface of some star, no matter which way you aim it. There is no gap big enough to see past. Do that for every direction at once, and the whole sky should be paved wall to wall in starlight. Not scattered points of light on black. Solid brightness, like staring straight at the surface of the sun, everywhere you look. Astronomers have been stuck on this exact question since the 1700s and 1800s. It even has a name, Olbers paradox, after one of the astronomers who wrote it down. Source: Scientific American. And it is a real paradox, not a trick question. Look up on any clear night and the sky is dark, with the stars as small separate points of light. So either the universe is not infinite and eternal after all, or something else is blocking most of that light from ever reaching us. Chapter 2. Here is the first real answer. Light is fast, but it is not instant. It has a speed limit, and it takes real time to cross real distance. Light from our own sun takes about 8 minutes to reach us. Light from a star further out can take years, thousands of years, even billions of years. And the universe itself has an age. It is roughly 13.8 billion years old, not eternal, not infinite in time. Source: Scientific American. Put those two facts together. If a star is so far away that its light has not had 13.8 billion years to reach us yet, we cannot see it. Not because it isn't there, because its light simply has not arrived. That gives us an edge, an observable horizon. Past it there could be endless more stars stretching out forever. We simply have not waited long enough to find out. Source: Earth Sky. So the first piece of the answer is simple. Darkness is not empty space. It is unfinished space. The light for the rest of the sky is still on its way, and some of it always will be. Chapter 3. Here is the part that makes it even stranger. Even the starlight that does reach us has a problem. The universe is not just sitting still, holding its size. It is expanding, getting bigger, stretching in every direction all the time. As light travels across that stretching space, the light itself gets stretched too into longer wavelengths. Scientists call this redshift. The longer a beam of light has been traveling, the more it gets pulled toward wavelengths our eyes cannot even see. Source: Scientific American. So distant starlight is not just late. A lot of it is also dimmed and shifted out of view by the time it gets here, on top of the horizon problem from Chapter 2. Put the two answers together, and the dark sky stops looking like a mystery and starts looking like a measurement. It is telling us directly that the universe has an age and that it is still growing. So here is the actual big idea. A dark night sky is not the absence of evidence. It is evidence, sitting in plain sight that you can see just by stepping outside. An infinite, eternal, unchanging universe would leave the sky glowing white. Ours doesn't. Which means the darkness itself is one of the clues that led scientists toward the Big Bang. A universe with a real starting point, still expanding outward ever since. You are looking at that story every single clear night, whether you notice it or not. Next time someone says space is empty and boring, the dark parts of the sky are doing more work than every star put together. The sky is dark because the universe is young, still stretching, and still sending us its light one beam at a time. Look up. What you are not seeing is telling you just as much as what you are. Some questions turn out to be answered by the dark, not the light.